Hello YouTube. It's been a while since I posted a video or slideshow with this part of the log cabin, and since then I extended it. So I covered the porch, roof is still the shingles, and in the process of building that side, when I was milling all the planks, I ended up with loads of side cuts. So I thought, rather than burning them or wasting them, I'm gonna use them for something. And guess what? I done this. So it's all extended now. I will take you inside as well. This is a toilet lavatory, still in process. I use some ram horns for the handles. That boulder came from Corsica. I carved it out, turn it into a sink. There's just some silicone just to waterproof it around the drain plug. I installed the toilet. Sorry about the mess. Up there it's hidden a big LED panel which serves as a light, so the light doesn't come down straight. It's diffused and it's really pleasant, to be honest, to be in there for two reasons. Let's take you inside. Use those kind of LED panels. They're absolutely brilliant. They're bright. Hello, dogga. So that's the old part. This is the new one. It was a pain in the butt to join all the new structure to the old one, because I have to uncover the old roof. So that's a door out of wild cherry. It's quite a heavy duty one, heavy as hell. Again, ram horns for handles, windows wild cherry, everything else is pine. I opted to do windows all the way up there just to let more natural light to come in. Up there I have a big water tank, 500 liters, cooking stove, wood stove with water boiler. So water comes in, cold water on the bottom, warms up, hot water comes to the sink in the kitchen area, and it goes in the bathroom as well. This is all reclaimed materials from a reclaimed site. The floor again, it's all stone. It's not granite, I don't know how is it called. Yorkshire slabs, whatever. All this is old wood crates, beaten up wood crates. I saved whatever I could. It's oak, I'm surprised, I don't know what they use it for. Really solid. Lights, each corner, need to do the surrounds around them. My only help, Lita Jaza. Yes, you. These windows, they all fold like an accordion. show you in a minute. So they fold like an accordion. Some things behind, so basically that one goes all the way against the wall and it leaves all that window completely exposed, so it gives you more view. Windows again, nothing special, just homemade. Bench, not me. Table, not me. I found in the woods, buried in the ground, an old horse cart. So I used the plate, I know what part of the cart was that. It bows all the way up. And I stole from the kitchen that, I don't know what it is, pot, round one. So that's my kitchen lighting. I think it's kind of cool. This again, they were quite difficult to adapt them because I had to basically cut in the old post, terrace posts with the chainsaw, incorporate the new ones and just foam insulate or whatever, secure. They're all secure by, funny enough, these ones, they are broom handles. All these, just drill the holes, glue them, knock them in, absolutely rock solid. You can see them, all the holes, broom handles. They do the job. Fire pit. Post for the barbecue. That's where I joined the new structure to the old one. The old one still looks new. Yeah. The one has two types of wood, wild cherry and beech tree. Yeah, that's the barbecue fire pit. This is the new build. That's part of the old roof when I join it to the new one. So yeah, it's all down to the interior final touches. Septic tank is down there. That was really expensive. The chemical one, or mushroomy, whatever they used. It's not really chemical because it breaks down all the solids, treats the water, and it comes out under the road into the forest. Comes out pretty clean, to be honest. I wouldn't drink it, but they claim it's really friendly. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, don't be shy.